Good morning. I've just woke up. It's now Wednesday, and I'm hoping to do this one hike around Port Arthur, but I don't know how to get there because my reception's so bad. Anyway, I'm gonna go get changed and let's get the show on the road.
I brushed my teeth and started going this dirt road. Where am I going?
Alright, I got to the Tasman National Park. Here's my van. It's all dirty. Everything's all wet. But you know, I've got the right clothing for this. I'm about to go into the office and let's go start off on the hike. 4 hours return to go from this point.
This hike goes for 4 hours return. I didn't have much trouble. It's only the weather that was the trouble, but it's all about the outfit that you wore. I was completely okay. I had to take off some layers as you saw here, but I was fine because I'm obviously amazing, and everyone who doesn't say that is obviously just jealous. And I am able to go to this hike. Look, I'm about halfway through this hike and check out this view.
This is something out of nightmare.
It was still pretty foggy, but I made sure that I continued on because I came this far. You can see how optimistic I was about it. I loved walking through this bush part of the walk. It was just stunning and how everything was blowing in the wind.
This is what life is all about. Oh my goodness, this is incredible.
Now, wasn't that special? I just loved being able to sit there in the elements and took the wind by charge. What a machine I am. Anyway, I continued on with my hike and ended up on the sledge.
Oh my god.
If only I had my scuba diving equipment, I could see what's in the water. Despite me being very unorganized with this hike, I was so glad I did it because everything all worked out in the end. As I continued on, it continued to get more beautiful and I reached the end of the hike. Look at these beautiful shots of the ledges I'm at. Stunning! Ew, why do I always doubt myself? Because I can do it, and for my sake, I hope you believe in yourself that you can do these things too, and I believe in you. My tip for this hike is, make sure you bring a nice jacket, because it might rain. Alright, that's everything from me, and I'll see you in the next video.